Hello everybody, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, if you are new to my channel, I highly welcome you to my channel and I will please you to watch my video to the end. So if you like it, give it a thumb up, and if you want to see more video of me, kindly hit subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos ever. Okay. And if you are old subscriber, thank you again for coming back, and let's go and see what today's topic it is about. Hello everybody, today we are going to make aloe vera gel for hair. I have been struggling with my daughter 4C hair and it's just terrible. The hair gives me tough time how to detangle it, and I has been using so many products, but the moment I gave a try of aloe vera gel, I spray, I use it as deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, detangler, spray, pre-shampoo. I mean, you can do everything with this aloe vera. And the moment I have started using aloe vera on her hair, I find it very simple and easy to handle her hair. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that at home by yourself, because people said, or our parents said, sharing is caring. So because I'm not selfish, I want to everybody the method that I use, and is really fantastic and amazing for massive hair growth. So I urge you to try it yourself. If you haven't give aloe vera a try, guys, please, I want you to give aloe vera a try and you will love it. You will really love it. So let's go start making our own aloe vera homemade gel. Guys, cut with me this aloe vera plant. Now I'm cutting it from my own pot, as I was advising you guys the benefit of planting this plant around your house. It's really helpful. If you do plant this, you will see the benefit of this miracle plant. You know, to cut long story short, aloe vera has a lot of benefits and properties that if you use it, you will see that you will save a lot of money, and also you will be at least peace of mind of many problems. It's just amazing plants, you know. So I'm urging each and everyone out there that try your best and give it a try, and you will never regret it. I can't say much, but what I can say is that I was having a lot of health issues, and someone introduced me this Forever product. So I decided, because Forever product is aloe vera product, and I've used it, and guys, you can't believe the effective of the product. It was really useful and very effective. So I become addicted to aloe vera, and I'm trying my best to use aloe vera for many things. It's just unbelievable, you know, because you can use it for your scalp, you can use it for your face, your skin, massive hair growth, hair moisturizer. You can use it for so many things. Even if you burn, like you are cooking and you burn, or you injure your body, or fresh cuts, you can just directly apply it. Just guys, look at this beautiful gel. So you can use it as instant first aid, which is very good, you know. So if you have aloe vera at your home, I can tell you that it will be hardly to be rushing to first aid or emergency ward, because this plant is just amazing. You can't believe how you benefit from this. So as you can see, I am squeezing it, smashing it with the glass, because I've seen that many people use blender, socks to strain it, but I personally find it difficult using blender or socks. So I always use this method, glass, to smash it well, so all the pulps, everything will be smashed. And you see, as you can see now, see how the gel is coming slowly, but finally it will all comes out and you will really love it. You will love it. So if you find that this method useful, go ahead. If you find other method, do it. Any kind of method that is good for you or convenience for you, you can do it, and it's just perfect. Because I like this method because I don't add. Wow, guys, see, look at that. Look, oh my god, I just love this. It's at the moment that it touches your hair, you will see the difference. It relaxes it, moisturize it, and make it easily to handle. So my dear family out there, please give it a try and you will love it. You really love it. So my family, that is what I have for you guys. Look at the amount I've got from this. That is fresh gel and it's just amazing. That is all I have for you today. And if you like this video, please kindly share it with your friends. Maybe someone may be in need of this video. Someone will need it, and also you yourself also can give it a try, and I promise you that you will never regret using aloe vera for many things. I love you guys, so let's be in touch and take care of yourself. If you like this video, give it thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future video ever again. I love you guys so much. I appreciate your time, your support, and your love. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do it right now so you will be the first to receive the notification of my new videos. I love you, but God loves you more than I do. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Watching Patience TV, Big TV, Patience, move mountains.